Hello and welcome back here. So, today I'm going to show you how to make your own stage in Terracotta Tower. Then, it says here, go to this page. Okay, go to Roblox and here is the developer forum. So go to this page and then it teleports you to this page. And this with a comment. 22 days, it will make your own stage. So, if you're a kid, don't download this only for because it's only for adults to download things. Now I know how to download things. So we have to click on it and it's downloading. Let's go to this page. Then you go to Roblox Studio now because the download is complete. If we want, we need to close this Windows Explorer and we can put it out that thing. So now we are back in Roblox Studio. And there we have the rhythm pad. Okay, I think this stage is not mine, but I removed the stages. Alright, you must put something right there. I'll put a platform. I'll put a platform. Okay, there we go. Now we need to put floating platform. It's kinda like a door platform, but I'm gonna put it. You see at the bottom? You see it? You see that yellow one? So, man, I guess I wanna put a platform here, and we need to put neon kill brick. We need to attempt something here like that. I need something that is gonna be. So let's scale it as a big one. Alright, there we go. Now it's square one. So let's duplicate. If you don't know how to scale as a square one, you must follow the steps. First you must scale, then move on the correct way on the lava checker. But if you move a platform, your steps will be broken. So okay, I have more steps. Okay. I move more. This thing also, this thing. I'm recording 4 minutes. One cool thing is I found about a build mode from Terracotta Tower. So let's duplicate this platform, but let's rotate it. Oh, oh, what the? It looks so strange. I found about something. Oh, we can rotate us like that. You can do rotating items if you want. And let's duplicate things. I don't know how to make a square thing. So, oh my god. Well, I guess one thing I keep doing some fun is about the build mode, because the build mode has unique things that okay, that's now. And one cool thing is about the checkered items. Oh, okay, so we need to scale this, and if you are done, then save it to terracotta tower, and if this appears, you're gonna be so the stage cover. This is the stage cover. It's called checker, and we need to pick a color about this. Um, maybe purple. Nah, this is magenta. This is pastel violet. This is out there. Let's put it. Always talking message, dude. Oh, but never mind. Huh? No, well, let's. No, maybe the floating platform will be such a stage. I found something. No, I'm not going to delete it. I'm not going to remove it because. Oh my god, I forgot this. I'm such a stupid. I forgot that. So we have to rotate this again to turn it to the correct way. About that way. So. No! I had shit until he moved it. Oh crap. Now we're starting with 7 minutes and trouble. Oh man. Let's delete these ones. And let's start with a simple part. Well, the script is also drawn here. So I need some trusses now. We need this truss. Let's find this. Oh, 96. Oh my gosh. That's also a truss that is going to be painted. Okay, let's build this way. Let You don't need to scale the ladders. You need to move the ladders. So if you want a part 2, tell me at the comments. Bye bye.